I ngoba sayibuka futhi izinto, what is happening lapha kuzalo futhi, what is happening lapha kuzalo. Siyambona uMbatha, so Mr. Fantonder, and I think this is my highlight of the week. Kuzalo bafethu, seeing uMbatha changing his accent. Bambuza ukuthi, why are your hands black? And uthi yena, no, it's because I'm working very hard, and I found that very fun. And abantu are laughing throughout social media, and I think that is the funniest moment of Uzalo this week. I don't know which moment okay, fine, this moment was really funny. Khona lapha kuzalo. But for you to welcome to Listen News, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you like, you subscribe to the channel so that you stay updated with all the latest Mzansi entertainment news. Noma ngikuthethela vela news. Well, sibonile lapha naye ukuthi uMbatha ebesephelelwe amaplan ukuthi eye lapha ku World Cup, so he created a plan of ukuthi athole a way ukuthi aye lapha. Bamtshela ukuthi in order to go there you have to be an Afrikaner. What? No man, relaxana, I've got a plan. Wacela to artistic ukuthi impainte akhanye njengebhunu, akhanya waqamba manga, but engakusho bafethu his plans are not going to go well. He's going to fail, he's going to be caught. But yeah, this was really funny, and things are about to get intense. Then stay tuned for more updates. Please like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. Dango.